So, you've decided to build a healthcare app. The stakes are high. Personal data needs to be secure, features must be user-friendly, and scalability is key for success. And one question inevitably comes: where do you start? At ProCoders, we've worked on healthcare and well-being applications that tackle these exact challenges. Take, for example, the app we helped develop for Avanto Care, an IoT-based eHealth solution in Sweden. The key goal was to integrate health tracking data and provide predictive care for elderly patients. From optimizing security features to ensuring rapid scalability, we helped Avanto bring their platform to life. And just like that, the platform was ready to serve both care providers and patients across Sweden. Now, let's talk about some must-have elements in a healthcare app. First, data security. In the healthcare world, patient data protection is critical. For Avanto Care, we followed ISO 27001 standards, ensuring that sensitive information is safeguarded according to strict global regulations. But that's just one part of the puzzle. User experience is equally important. In another project, Dryft, a fitness and well-being platform, we had to make sure that class bookings, payments, and user engagement all worked seamlessly across mobile and desktop. By building the app using a cross-platform solution like Angular and Ionic, we saved 40% of development time while keeping the experience intuitive and smooth for all users. The next crucial factor is scalability. Your app may start small, but it needs to grow. With Avanto Care, we not only optimized the codebase for rapid scalability, but also built an infrastructure that could handle sensitive data at scale without compromising security. So how do you bring all of these elements together? Discovery phase. Every great app starts with a solid understanding of the problem you're solving. In this phase, we work closely with you to refine your app's scope and ensure you're using the best tools for the job. Design and prototyping. Wireframes and prototypes are created to visualize how the app will look and function. For Dryft, we focused on building an intuitive, user-centered interface, ensuring that users could easily engage with features across platforms. Development. Once the design is finalized, we start coding. For both Avanto Care and Dryft, our development team used scalable technology stacks, ensuring the apps were flexible and could grow as needed while maintaining top-notch security. Testing and quality assurance. Testing is crucial, especially in healthcare. We rigorously test your app for security, functionality, and compliance with industry regulations. This step was key in making sure Avanto Care met ISO 27001 standards for data security. Deployment and ongoing support. After the app goes live, we don't stop there. We provide ongoing support and maintenance, ensuring your app continues to perform well, scales efficiently, and remains secure. Whether you're looking to build a healthcare app from scratch or take an existing one to the next level, we're here to help you bring you there. Reach out to us at ProCoders, and let's get started building a platform that changes lives.